I'm here to introduce you to LG's wet cleaning washing machine. LG Wet Cleaning is an advanced system that offers a smarter alternative to traditional dry cleaning. Its optimized drum motion, precise water control, and flexible programming ensures outstanding cleaning results with minimal fabric stress, faster cycles, and reduced environmental impact. Now, let me introduce you to the innovative technologies at work here. Inverter direct drive. Unlike the traditional belt and pulley system, the LG commercial laundry drum is directly attached to the motor, delivering superior durability. This reduces mechanical wear and tear, operates quietly, and an energy-efficient motor ensures optimal performance. Gyro balancing system. It is an advanced algorithm-based balancing, which ensures optimized performance. This minimizes vibration for stable operation, delivers consistent washing results, and extends the lifespan of machine components. Atomizing and twin spray. The atomizing nozzle sprays fresh water onto clothes and the door for rapid soaking, while twin spray circulates soapy water to improve wash performance and cleanliness. The rapid soaking enhances washing results. Improved detergent circulation leads to deep cleaning, and an even water distribution helps remove stains effectively. Tub cleaning and wave force. Prolonged use can lead to tub contamination affecting performance. Regular tub clean program can keep the tub hygienic at all times. This ensures optimal tub hygiene, consistent washing performance, and reliability for heavy-duty continuous operation. Now let's talk about some of the features that LG's wet cleaning washing machine offers. Flexible programming helps adjust wash parameters, heating, motion, and dosing to suit any fabric. With 6 preset cycles, you get 6 wet cleaning programs for cotton, synthetic, rayon, linen, wool, and silk. That too with easy mode switching. And lastly, with intelligent auto dosing feature, you get up to 5 programmable channels for precise detergent delivery. Now let me list down some benefits of LG's wet cleaning washing machine. It is eco-friendly, leads to less fabric deformation, and has a faster turnaround time as compared to conventional dry cleaning. While traditional dry cleaning relies on hydrocarbons, petroleum-based solvents, and chemicals such as PERC, wet cleaning technology uses water in combination with specially formulated solvents to process delicate garments. Now let me take you through step-by-step process on how to operate LG's wet cleaning washing machine. Step 1. Type. Press the type button if the user wants to operate as a wet cleaning course. Step 2. Up and down to navigate the course that the user wants to use. Step 3. Select the course and default time. Step 4. Custom program. Step 5. Start or pause. Now let me tell you how LG wet cleaning washing machine ensures superior performance. It gives you fabric care and superior rinsing. With precision drying, the variable RPM ensures gentle care while preventing fabric damage. And lastly, smart moisture control helps machine stop at the perfect moisture level to prevent over-drying and shrinkage. This was it for LG's wet cleaning washing machine. In case you have any more queries, log on to www.lg.com. Until then, take care.